Everyone, so welcome to i3 Automations. Today I'm gonna show you how can you program like string on Studio 5000 and FactoryTalk View. You're gonna learn how can you create the logic with strings between Studio 5000 and FactoryTalk View. So let's check it out.
Can you hear me?
Before to move forward with this video here, please subscribe on our channel and give your thumbs up, so you're gonna help us to publish our video for a lot of people that wants to learn industrial automation or wants to system integration in your manufacturing. So let's get started. So what I'd like to show you here is what are we gonna do right now. So we're gonna create a Studio 5000 project that gonna communicate with the panel view or FactoryTalk View. And on FactoryTalk View, we're gonna select like we're gonna create push buttons here. So if we put like in English, we're gonna see good morning. If it's in Portuguese, gonna be Bom Dia. If it is in French, or if it is gonna be in French, if you select the language French, gonna be Bonjour. And if you select Spanish, gonna be Buenos Dias. So let's get started, and we're gonna create this with strings on Studio 5000, and on HMI we're gonna select what is the language that we're gonna choose here in order to see like good morning or another language that mean the same thing about good morning. All right, so here is one project, and we're gonna create another project at the same video here that's gonna be the motor status. So we're gonna see here when the motor is on. So we're gonna see motor working, and if it's not working, I'm gonna put it like here motor is not working or is stopped or something like that. So let's get started and create our first project on Studio 5000. So let's get started here, and let's open it up here first, Studio 5000. So let's get started here in the new project, and my CPU here is L71. So let's get started here, and the name of this project is gonna be string because it's about our video here. So my CPU has firmware version 32. So, and my software has version 32. So I'm gonna choose 32 here. And my CPU is located on slot 8. So if you don't know where is located your control logic CPU, so go here and RS links. And here on RS links we have the slot number 8. And here we can see my address, my IP address is 192.168.10.158. And on slot 8 we have my CPU L71. So this is the reason that we are choosing slot number 8. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and click finish. Okay, let me just put another name here because I have already one video that I made in another language. So this is string 1, this, okay, and now that's okay. So string 1. I made this video in Portuguese, so I call it the same name was string, so now it's string 1. All right, so let's check it out here. Okay, let's open it up. And what I'm gonna do right now, gonna be, let's create here in the main program. So I'm gonna create the subroutine, new routine here, gonna be, let's say, select language. Select language program. Let's click OK, and I'm gonna choose another subroutine here. A new routine gonna be motor status. So let's go ahead and click OK. And on main routine, we need to put it here JSR. So I'm going to put JSR, and here going to be selecting language, and Control C, Control V, copy and paste, and we're gonna do motor status. So that's okay. So let's go ahead and create our first program here on select language. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna create a memory that from HMI we can select the language. So the first thing that I'm gonna create here right now gonna be an English. So English, and this is gonna be a Boolean. So let me put here new, and here gonna put like select English language from HMI. So I'm gonna create this, that's okay. And I'm gonna put it like the set instruction here, and the set instruction gonna be just E. E means is English language selected. Okay, now English language selected. Okay, that's fine. So let's go ahead and do the same thing here. Let's say for Portuguese. So I'm gonna put PT for Portuguese, and I'm gonna put here select Portuguese language from HMI. This is a push button that we're gonna create on HMI. So that's okay here, and here gonna be just P for Portuguese, not for PT, just P. P. Okay, and I'm gonna put here Portuguese language selected. Okay, so the same thing we're gonna do here for French. So we're gonna put just FR, and on this FR here, I'm gonna put select French language from HMI. Okay, and here I'm gonna put just F here, and we need to create this guy here. So we're gonna create, let's say, um, French language selected. Okay, French language selected. And for the last, not the least, so I'm gonna put here Spanish. So I'm gonna put here select Spanish, or better. So let me put here instead of yes, I'm gonna put it SP Spanish. Um, and here I'm gonna do this. Oh, right now gonna be good right now. So select the Spanish language from HMI. So I'm gonna put it SP here, and this is gonna be just S. Uh, and I'm gonna put here, so Spanish language selected. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now here, I'm gonna put, let's say here, one tube. So what I'm gonna do here, they're gonna put this here and put this guy here, and one more guy here gonna be this here. Okay, now we have everything here set up. So the next step gonna be, so I'm gonna do the same thing for here. So one, two, even three here. So this three here, I'm gonna cut and paste over here. And of course, I will put this guy over here. Okay. All right. So the same thing we're gonna do for this guy over here. And we have F here, so I'm gonna put P over here. So that's okay. And the last, not the least, I will put here F over here, and that's it. So in this way we have, if we select this guy here, we're gonna select English language, or Portuguese, or French, or Spanish. So let's just test this. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna do download to the PLC. So what I'm gonna do, gonna be, let me save this program here for now, and I'm gonna go who active, and I'm gonna choose here the PLC, the control logic PLC, and here is my CPU. So I'm gonna do download. So let's go ahead and do download to the CPU. And okay, download. Okay, we are almost there. So yes. So we are running here. So let me select this guy first. When I select this guy, the English is selected. Okay, when I select Portuguese, so Portuguese is selected, that's okay. When I select French, so French is selected. And for the last one, Spanish is selected here. That's fine. All right. So it is working good here, the selection mode. So now let's go ahead here and create the um, the string application for that. So the first thing that we need to do here is let's go to the controller tags. And here in controller tags, we're gonna create right now the, let's see here, um, English, English, English string. So I'm gonna put here, let's the string, okay. And the next gonna be Portuguese, Portuguese, and this gonna be the string for that. And the next gonna be French and string as well. The next gonna be string, and the next gonna be Spanish and string for that as well. And for the last gonna be selected, selected, and gonna be string as well. All right. So what are we gonna do here is, let's go in monitor tags. And what are we gonna do here in English gonna be, let me put here, good morning. Good morning. Okay. In Portuguese, I'm gonna select here, I'm gonna put like Bom Dia. And in French, gonna be Bonjour. Bonjour. And Spanish, gonna be Buenos Dias. Buenos Dias. Okay. So we have these guys over here is selected. Okay. Now we can go to the logic again and start over here. So if we have, let's say, if we have the English selected, that is this guy here. If the English language is selected, so we're gonna, let's go to the cop instruction. Cop, it is here. So cop instruction, what I'm gonna do here is search, the search gonna be the English, and I'm gonna move to selected. Okay. And this is gonna be size 1, or the length 1. So we're gonna copy and paste over here. So if the Portuguese is selected, So I'm gonna move Portuguese here. Portuguese should selected here. So copy and paste. And what we're gonna do here is, if we have Portuguese and the next gonna be French. So if French is selected, I'm gonna move, or I'm gonna copy to selected string. And okay, this is gonna be this guy over here. Okay, E, P, E, F, and okay, and S. Okay, so copy and paste, and here we're gonna select letter S, and we're gonna do here is Spanish, and that's it. So let's test this. I'm gonna do a download here to the PLC side, and let's move it forward. So right now, Spanish is selected. So let's see the result here on selected. So Buenos Dias. So it's selected here, right? That's correct. So let's go ahead and click here and toggle this. English is selected right now. So good morning. So that's fine. And let's select Portuguese. And what we're gonna do here is Bom Dia, and that's correct. So let's move forward right now. And what are we gonna do? We're gonna do the logic for motor status. So this is done for selected language. That's correct on Studio 5000. So let's go ahead and motor status and do the same thing here. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna create a push button to start stop and do the same thing. So let's do this here. Let's go ahead here in favorites, and this is start push button. Start PB. Okay, and start PB gonna be start M1 push button, start push button. And we do this. Start push button M1 from HMI. Okay, I'm gonna create it here. And now we're gonna put like here, I'm gonna just put N1 for now, and right click here, and I'm gonna put N1 running. Okay, N1 run. So I'm gonna copy and paste here, and here I'm gonna put like stop push button, and this stop push button gonna be stop push button N1 from HMI. And that's it. And here, of course, we need to put unlet here, and that's it. Now, what we're gonna do here in controller tags, we're gonna do the same thing that we did for this English, Portuguese, French, Spanish selected. So we're gonna put here M1, M1 running, M1 running. I'm gonna put a string here, and M1 stop it. So I'm gonna put here string for that, and I'm gonna put here the result or status. Thinks better. Status. So I'm gonna put here string, and we're gonna do the same thing here, so that we did for language here. So I'm gonna copy this guy here, copy, and I'm gonna paste over here. So now, if motor is running, I'm gonna move M1 running to the select, or not selected, but to the status. Okay, and cut and paste over here. So if this is not running, So I'm gonna move anyone stop it to the status over here. Okay. So if it's not running, so I'm gonna move this to there. So what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna do download, but we need to go to the controller tags and monitor tags. So what I'm gonna do here, motor M1 running. So I'm gonna put here motor, motor running. And I'm gonna click here, OK, stop it, motor, stop it. And click here, OK. And you see here, automatic status here, motor stop it, because here on this guy here, if we, let's say, I'm gonna toggle this guy here. So now, supposed to be, now is I'm moving or copying M1 running string to the status string. So let's go to start. Okay, motor running right now. So that's totally makes sense. So from PLC point of view, so we just finished. So we are done with the PLC program here. So let's go ahead and start our FactoryTalk View application right now. So what we're gonna do here is FactoryTalk View Studio. So yes, and I'm gonna choose here View Machine Edition ME. You could choose FactoryTalk View Edition, but I'm gonna choose ME right now. So what I'm gonna do right now gonna be new, and here gonna be string one. My panel view that I have here is a panel view plus 1000. So I'm gonna go ahead and create here. So the first thing that we're gonna do right now here gonna be let's set up here the configuration on the communication setup, and I'm gonna put here copy the configuration that is currently running on this workstation. So I did this, and gonna show up here for us my PLC is not here. Yes, it is here. So 192.168.10.158. So I'm gonna add the shortcut here. I'm gonna put like PLC, and I'm gonna choose this guy here. So my CPU gonna be this CPU here, number 8. So click apply, and that's it. You need click here on CPU, and after that you need click here on PLC, and after that for the last apply, and click OK. So it's done. So the communication setup between Control Logics and FactoryTalk View is done. So right now the next step gonna be, let's open it up the main screen here. And what are we gonna do here? We're gonna create like 4 push buttons. So momentary push button. So this is gonna be the first. And what are we gonna do here? Gonna be, so state 0 gonna be English selection, and state 1 English selection as well. And here we're gonna choose, okay, let refresh all folders here. Okay, PLC is here and online. And what are we gonna do here? We're gonna put like English. So we're gonna double click here, and it's there. So let me double check on the PLC side. So just making sure that we are in the same page. So yeah, EN. So that's correct here, EN. So click apply. Okay. The same thing that we're gonna do here for, okay, copy and paste. Okay, that's fine. So now we're gonna put Portuguese, and Portuguese here gonna put like PT for Portuguese. Okay, and I'm gonna choose another color here. I'm gonna put green for Brazil. So that's correct here. And let me do Okay, that's fine. And here the same thing here in Portuguese. Okay, apply. I'm gonna just choose the another color here. Okay, and this. Perfect. Now let's go to the connection here, and I'm gonna choose Portuguese. So I'm gonna choose this guy. Apply. Okay. The same thing I'm gonna do here. Control C, Control V, copy and paste. Now I'm gonna put it like here French. So FR second and FR here. That's correct. So what we're gonna do here right now is state 0. So we're gonna put here red color and red color as well. And here you're gonna choose, this is gonna be FR. Apply, okay. And for the last, not the least, I'm gonna put Spanish here. So Spanish, and here gonna be Spanish, Spanish, and I'm gonna choose the yellow color. So yellow color, the same thing here. Okay, and let's see how it looks like. Okay, Spanish. And what are we gonna do here right now? Gonna be, oh, we already changed it over there. That's fine. So I'm gonna click OK. And here we're gonna go to the objects and numeric and the string display. So I'm gonna put here the string display. And the back color here, I'm gonna choose um, black color. And border color, I'm gonna choose white or gray. That's fine. And connection here. So we're gonna do the tags, or not the tags, but yeah, the tag. Right. So let me choose here the tag, and the tag I'm gonna select it here, gonna be selected. So click selected, and that's it. So we are done with this. And now we're gonna create the two push buttons here, one for start, another for stop. So I'm gonna choose here 0. So start, I'm gonna choose this guy here. Start, the same thing for here, start. Okay, and here gonna be, let's go to the online here, start push button, apply, okay. Let me double click here because I didn't like this. So I'm gonna put it like black, and this. Okay, start. And now Control C, Control V, I'm gonna put here stop push button. So what I'm gonna do here, gonna be stop, and gonna be the red color, and stop, stop, okay, stop, all right. And here I'm gonna do the same thing here, copy and paste, and I put the message here, and this is gonna be, so gonna be status, apply, okay. So we are almost done to start our test here. What are we gonna do right now? Gonna be, let me just test display here. So right now Portuguese is selected, so let me select English. Okay, so we have it here English, good morning, Portuguese, Bom Dia, French, Bonjour, and here we have Buenos Dias. Okay, okay, so, and here we're gonna put like motor running. Okay, now I'm gonna put it stop it. Why? Okay, maybe I know what is going on. So I did something wrong here. Let me stop. Let me, yeah, this is not start push button. This is stop push button. Okay, apply, okay, save, and let's go ahead and put again. So stop it. Yes. Start, stop it. So this is one example that we can do with string. I hope you enjoy a lot and see you next video. Bye.